Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the SmartTube application and the most updated version of it. So this method is going to download and install the updated version of SmartTube on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a Smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Listening to the video, we'll do that in two steps. The first step is going to be to ensure unknown apps or third-party apps or apps from unknown sources can be installed. Now when that is done, we'll head over to the unlinked application and use the unlinked application to download and install the SmartTube app. First things first, head over to quick settings and then all settings. Navigate down to system and down to about, then you will find the build number down this list. So second to last option on this list is the build number. What you want to do here is to click on this 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And after click on this 7 times, you now have developers options toggled on. So they have been activated. You are now a developer, and this means you have the ability to download and install apps from unknown sources. So download and install unknown apps. Given that that's the case, you're done with step 1 and you can move out. So head over to the dashboard and navigate till you find the unlinked app. If you do not have this app already installed and it's not in the app drawer and you cannot access the app, I have a link in the description below with a tutorial that will show you how to get that app and install it. So watch that tutorial, get the app, and when you have the app, click on it to launch. When you launch the app, you'll be greeted with the welcome page. Add the code, the app library. So add the library everything, EVERYTHING. So add the everything library, all capital letters, no spaces. And now you could navigate down to the 11th item with media players, and on that row, head over to SmartTube. Click on SmartTube, and that launches the download. So you click on the download button to begin the download. Download is complete. You find these options here like install app, open file, show in file explorer. I already have the app downloaded. That's why you find install app there. Clicking on install app is going to get me to the installation page. However, if it's your first time, you may find a message telling you to enable permission to allow unlinked to install apps from unknown sources or install app from unknown sources. All those mean the same thing. All you need to do is toggle on the toggle beside unlinked. So activating unlinked on that message below, just scroll over those apps and you find unlinked, enable it, and that would ensure that unlinked can install an application from an unknown source or install an unknown app. Now that that's the case, exit that message and come and click install. If you did that in that order, you have this app installed automatically. So just give it a couple of seconds and the app is installed. You could access the app right here on your app library, and there you find the SmartTube application, and this is the updated version as you can see. So if you found it insightful, smash that like button, bang that subscribe button. It motivates us to keep producing content like this that's valuable to you, and I'm going to see you in the next of such content. And this is DaveTech signing out.